Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to review and unbox this Blue Yeti microphone. It's a microphone from Blue that comes with its own stand and a bunch of functions like a gain knob and a volume knob. And I'm going to show them just in a bit if I can get this box open and unbox it for you. Oh yeah, you open it from the side. Okay, so here on the top we actually have some cables for the actual microphone, and right beneath that we have the instruction manual for the microphone. Probably not going to read it, but it will be useful probably someday, maybe not right now. And under this styrofoam here we actually have the microphone, and as you can see in the box right there, there's the Blue Yeti microphone. It's already put on the stand, so you don't actually have to screw anything in, or like you have to do with some other microphones, but this just comes pre-assembled for you. So all you really need to do is connect it to your computer and then start recording your audio with it. So this is how the actual microphone looks while it's unboxed and out of the bag. And this is the back side, and here on the back we actually have two adjustable knobs. One is the gain knob and the other is the directional knob that I will show you just in a second. And on the sides, as I just did, and here on the back we have the gain and pattern knob. The pattern knob decides where you actually want the audio to come from, and the gain knob makes the punch of the microphone come out clearer. And here on the front we have a mute button and a volume knob that adjusts how loud you want the audio to actually be. And here on the bottom we have a connection for your cable that came with the microphone and a screwable hole that you can screw in like a arm for the microphone if you have one of those blue arms. And yeah, this is the microphone in its full form. Okay, so now that you have actually seen the microphone, I'm going to do a comparison between the new Blue Yeti microphone and my old microphone that I am speaking to you with right now. So this is the old microphone that I have, and I am just going to switch over to the new Blue Yeti microphone real quick now, and you should hear a clear difference, and you can decide which is best, but according to me it's clearly the Blue Yeti microphone. I switched microphones, and this is the Blue Yeti microphone that I am speaking with right now. And as you can hear, this is probably a lot better and a lot clearer and a lot louder actually than the other microphone. But let's be fair here. Blue makes really good microphones, but they are also a lot more expensive than my other microphone. This microphone costs around $150, while the other microphone that I use costs around $50. So there is a clear difference in price, and the Blue microphone is yes a lot more expensive. But I think that you actually get what you pay for here, because the other one, it's great for like talking with your friends on Discord or talking with your friends online, while this Blue Yeti microphone is probably a lot better for content creating or streaming. So if you're a streamer, you should probably go with the Blue microphone because it's quite a lot better than the other one. But if you're just talking with your friends, the other one is fine, or any $50 microphone is probably going to be great for you. But if you want a higher quality microphone, then I probably will go with something like the Blue microphone that I have and that I speak with right now. So overall, I would say the Blue Yeti microphone is a great sounding microphone that has a great audio output, and it also has great features like the pattern knob, the mute button, and a gain knob actually, and also volume knob. All those things are really great to have on a microphone, and you didn't get any of those features with the other microphone. So we put it all together, the Blue Yeti microphone is a great microphone for the $150 price tag. And if you have the money and want to start streaming or maybe start content creating, then I would go with a microphone like the Blue Yeti microphone, or something better like the Shure SM7B that I actually made a video about that you can click right here. But that's pretty much all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel right here. And well, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.